guys, today I have something interesting. I got new mic for my studio and for my vlogging setup. It's a Sennheiser MKE 200. Let's crack this open. There are two versions of this mic, a mobile kit and the regular one. I went with the mobile kit because it comes with a tripod for the cell phone and some accessories. Let's see what we have here. Okay, we have some manual on multiple languages, I believe. Okay, we have tripod. Manfrotto, oh nice. Yeah, that's the brand name tripod. Okay. So this is the accessories for the cell phone, I believe. So it's a cell phone holder. And, interesting. You can use this as like vertical and horizontal one. First time seeing this actually. It's really nice that they included this. So you basically mount your cell phone using this thing. Okay, and now you can use this. You can put your cell phone here. There's expandable holder. You can, so you can use the cell phone as a vertical mode or horizontal mode as regular one. Nice. Manual, we'll read later. Oh, we have a small pouch. Carrying case, pretty nice one. Silky kind of material. Yeah, not many manufacturers include nowadays any like accessories, especially like cell phone, all of this. Okay, here we have a dead cat or wind muff, so we can mount this on top of the mic and it's gonna block the wind from recording. Nice. Yeah, I will definitely keep this in the pouch so it doesn't spread the hairs all around. Okay, we have I believe this is for the camera and this is for cell phone, because this is the TRRS connector and this is TRS. Yeah, it is. So it's for the smartphone, this is for the camera. So mostly I'm going to use the camera one, so I don't really need smartphone. Sometimes maybe I'll use a smartphone to record some videos, but mostly I will be using this with the DJI Osmo Pocket, with DJI Action camera. Okay, and that's the mic itself. Very light one. Super light. So I believe this is the kind of protector against the wind and against any. The mic itself inside, it's very tiny, and this is just for protection. So basically it's a cage for the mic. And you know, it's interesting. They also thought about, so it's a screwable connector. So you basically put it here, screw it, and you basically lock it. So it's not gonna go anywhere. That's really nice. Again, not many manufacturers do this. Sennheiser, good job. So if you'd like to use this with a cell phone, you just mount this. So that's the front, that's the bottom, right? And you know this by this connector. So you basically mount this here, you insert your cell phone here, and you're basically done. And you can do vlogging, right? Nice. And this is the wind muff. So I believe this is the bottom part. It's kinda awkward to put it on, but I'll try this anyway. I think it's better to mount this while it's on the camera already. Okay, this is your dead cat or wind muff. So now you can blow the wind and it's not gonna catch all of these sounds. Well, maybe it's gonna catch, but it will be very minimal. The dead cat itself, it's really nice. It looks like and it feels like almost real cat. Well, maybe not very real cat, but very nice touch. And well, it's already start throwing some hairs, so it's definitely better to keep this in the pouch so it doesn't spread this anywhere. Usually YouTubers test mics in the studio. However, I don't really like this idea because, well, in the studio everything is perfect, right? But it's supposed to work outside, right? So I'm going to test this outside somewhere. Maybe I'll go to the mountains, find some place. I'll test this in the road, in the busy streets, maybe in the parks. I'm gonna use the dead cat to see how it's gonna catch and how it's gonna prevent wind from recording. I'm gonna use this maybe like from 2 feet away as like regular vlogging style. And I'm going to use a DSLR camera and a Osmo Pocket. Okay, let's go somewhere and test this bad boy. Right now I'm in Calgary, in the downtown area. It's a city park on the island. I placed the mic on the right from the DJI Osmo Pocket. It's pretty windy, well, not that much, but it's noisy. It has some wind. And I'm holding this mic from maybe 2 feet away. This is how it sounds like. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Just regular vlogging. I assume this is how people is gonna use this mic, right? And this is how Sennheiser developed this mic for vlogging. So that's like me holding 2 feet away and speaking regularly. Few noise from here and there. In the background there is a road. I don't remember like which road is it, but doesn't matter. It's just pretty noisy road. The park itself is very quiet, so not that much noise from the park itself, but just regular walking, regular talking. I also want to check this in the busy street environment to see how it's gonna pick the voice, how it's differentiate voice from the noise, etc. Let's see. Right now I'm testing the mic with DJI Osmo Pocket in the park in the Calgary city, and I'm standing very close to the river. There is a road behind the river. It's very noisy. I'm on the island, and this is the island separated by the river from that road. So let's see how it's gonna pick the sound. I'm holding mic from the like 2 feet away using DJI Osmo Pocket and the handle with the battery grip. So let's see how it's gonna pick the voice of myself, how it's gonna differentiate this from the noise from the road. The park itself is very quiet, I would say, at least in this time of day. Right now I'm placing mic maybe 1 foot away. Not so much wind today, but just in case I brought dead cat, this wind muffler. Let's see how it's gonna pick the river sound actually. I was curious how it's gonna work for the river. Okay, let's find some noise in the park. Let's find some noise in the park. And this is how nature sounds here around. I think that's the good work for the beaver. Lots of work, looks like. looks like I found the perfect spot for testing the mic. Lots of noise from construction workers, well, from the park workers actually. Few noise from the kids playing around in the playground. So let's just walk by and see how it works. Yeah, lots of noise from this tractor. Can you still recognize my voice in the background of this tractor? Okay, that was the one source of noise. Let's find another source of noise. Actually, not that much noise today, because people are at work, most of them. Kids are at school. So I believe it's kind of quiet time of day for the mic test. Maybe I should find some busy streets and make a test there to make it like a real test for everyday mic. I think it should work, right? In the video I will not make any adjustments to the sound, so I'm not gonna separate the noise. Okay, I decided to make another test near the river. So right now I'm standing right on the stones of the Bow River. There is a peace bridge there somewhere in the background. There is a road across the river, and I'm holding the mic maybe from 2 or 3 feet distance from my mouth. So, and this is how it's gonna sound. Is it going to pick the sound from the road? Is it going to pick the sound from the river? Let's see, let's test. They're building some bridge or some pump, so they're trying to create some kind of protection in case of the river overflow. It happened I think 5 years ago or 6 years ago, when this river, it looks like very shallow river actually. You can cross this river without even drawing yourself. But like 5 or 6 years ago, it's overflown and it caused lots of damages to the city. That's the project that's supposed to help somehow city. I think they're doing some piping or some, I don't know what they're doing, but it takes them like forever to build this protection. Maybe they're waiting for another overflow. Okay, right now I'm at downtown Calgary, and this is kind of quiet, very quiet area of the downtown. Not so much traffic there actually. Let's find some traffic to really test this mic. So this is like really quietest, I would say, area of the downtown. Few cars here and there, but not so many. Let's find more noise. I think I should go to the Stevens Avenue or maybe 17th Avenue to find lots of noise. Okay, this street is a little bit more noisy. I think it's a good test for the mic. I don't want to go to the very noisy street because it's gonna be pointless kind of, right? So if you're testing the mic, you should test this in the real environment. You shouldn't record like vlog in the very noisy environment. Right now it's getting too noisy, I think, for the mic, for the regular day-to-day vlog. Let's go a little further. I would say it's a kind of medium kind of noise. Not too noisy, not too quiet, kind of in the middle. Few noise from the car, few noise from the streets, from pedestrians. Just regular urban noise, you know. When it comes to vlogging, I have no idea what to say other than just mumbling.
No, they'll watch.
I waited for the train. I just want to see how they're gonna capture the train sound. Okay, I see the train. Train is coming. let's pretend I'm gonna discuss the train, and I'm gonna discuss some city environment, how it's built, how noisy it is, and this is kind of noise from the train behind. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. I don't think anything can be captured. Okay, it was a train. Yeah, I think it's enough for like quick test in the urban environment for this mic. So it's pretty much the same every day, and this is how the amount of sound and the amount of noise that you can get in the downtown with the trains, with the cars, with the just like regular pedestrians. And I'm still holding the mic maybe 1 or 2 feet away with the dead cat on. And this is how it's gonna work, and I'm not gonna edit this in the post.
After a real-world test in the noisy urban environment, the mic impressed with the ability to deliver excellent audio quality. The internal shock absorption system effectively minimized handling noise, while the wind muff proved to be unavailable in the reducing street noise. Of course, it didn't remove noise completely, but it minimized its impact on the recording, making it to be very easy to capture clear audio even in challenging conditions. If you like the video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe on the channel if you haven't. In my next video, I'm going for a trip to make it a test in the nature environment with DSLR camera, walking in the woods and making small hike/vlog. Be sure to check this video. See you there.